Hey, my name's Chibs Okereke, and welcome to today's meditation. Today we're practicing a short vagus nerve reset. Whether you're feeling anxious, frustrated, or just a little bit scattered, this is your invitation to pause, reset, and gently reconnect. Taking a moment now to settle into a comfortable position. If it feels okay, you might like to close your eyes, and if not, simply letting them soften or stay slightly open. The vagus nerve helps to regulate our stress response, and it responds beautifully to slow, conscious breathing. Let's begin by bringing gentle awareness to the breath. Noticing the inhale and the exhale. Allowing the breath to flow naturally, trusting that your body knows exactly what to do. Now, if the mind begins to wander, that's perfectly natural. We might simply acknowledge the thought and then gently guide our awareness back to the rhythm of the breath. Back to this inhale and back to this exhale. And now I invite you to allow the awareness of breath to drift gently into the background. And let's begin to explore the body, one area at a time. Let's begin with the feet, noticing any sensations there. Tingling, warmth, heaviness, stillness. As we breathe in, imagining the breath reaching all the way down to the feet. And as we breathe out, allowing a sense of release, of grounding. Bringing gentle awareness to the legs now, the calves, the shins, the thighs. Now the hips and pelvis, an area that can quietly hold tension. With each breath, offering this space some softness. Bringing attention to the spine, the lower, middle, and upper back. The vagus nerve flows through this central line, connecting body and mind. You might imagine the breath traveling along the spine, soothing, settling, unwinding. And now the shoulders, breathing in and breathing out. Turning awareness to the neck and jaw. You might notice the jaw softening, the neck releasing. And now gently expanding our awareness to the entire body. Noticing the stillness, the warmth, feeling supported, connected, safe. As you move through your day, perhaps take a moment to reflect. What's one small way you can remind your nervous system that you're safe today? I'm Chibs Okereke. Thanks for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.